Okay, so now we are not going to use a strips. So look at this one. 1/2 or 1/2. So we are going to think, now we are going to think about numbers that can multiply to 1/2, that the answer is 2/4. Okay, so anybody? 1 times 2. Very good. 1 times 2 is equals to 2. And then 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So 2/4. All right. So how about 3/6? So we need to think about numbers that can multiply to 1/2, that the answer is 3/6. Anybody? What is the answer? 3. Very good. Okay, so 1 times 3 is equals to 3. And then 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Okay, so the answer is 3/6. How about 4/8? What numbers? What factors? Factor of? Anybody? What number can multiply to 1/2? That the answer is 4/8. What is your answer? 4. Okay. Factor of 4. 1 times 4 is equals to 4. And 2 times 4 is equals to 8. So the answer is 4/8. How about 5/10? What is the answer? We are going to find a number that can multiply to 1/2, that the answer is 5/10. Anybody? 5. Of course. Very good. It is 5. Factor of 5. 1 times 5 is equals to 5. And 2 times 5 is equals to 10. So the answer is 5/10. All right. Very good. That's great. Okay. So what if we use a factor of 3? We are going to use a factor of 3. Like for example, 3/4 times 3. Okay. 3/4 or 3 times 3. What is the answer? 9. Next one. 4 times 3 is equals to 12. Very good. So the answer is 9/12. That's great. Okay, another example. We are going to use division. Okay, so we are going to use division. Number 1, 8/10. So we are going to think about numbers or factor that can divide to 8 and 10. 3, is it possible? Yes or no? No? So what number? Example, 2. Okay, factor of 2. 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. And then 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. So the answer is 4/5. Okay, next one. Number 2, 6/15. So we are going to think about numbers that can divide to 6 and 15. Anybody? What numbers? Number? Okay, so we can use 3. Very good. 3. Okay, so 6 divided by 3. What is the answer? 2. And then 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. So the answer is 2 over 5 or 2/5. Okay, that's great. Next one. How about this one? 3/4 or 3 over 4 is equal to blank over 16. So as you notice, there is no denominator, there is no numerator, right? So we are going to find the numerator. So what we are going to do, look at the denominator is 16. So we are going to think about numbers that can divide. 16 divided by blank. The answer is 4. What is the answer? Anybody? 4. Very good. So 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. So now we are going to find this one. So we use 4, right? So what we are going to do to this one? We are going to multiply. Okay, so 3 times 4 is equals to 12. So you see, 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. All right, that's great. Okay, number 4. 18 over 21. Okay, is equal to 6 over blank. Okay, so there is no denominator. We need to find the denominator of 6. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide 16 divided by blank. 18 divided by blank. The answer is 6. Anybody? What could be the answer? Is it 2? Yes or no? All right, so it is 3. 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6. Okay, so we divide it into 3. So 21 divided by 3 is equals to 7. Okay, so the answer is 6 over 7. Did you get it? All right, that's good. So